Plants that die back during 37-degree weather. Number 1, wedelia. Number 2, penta. Number 3, plumeria. Number 4, gingers, but they were going ahead of time anyway. This is what happened to my banana. Looks like it's still alive and it'll come back, but it's worse for the wear. Odd thing is this plumeria seems fine, but it's under oak cover. My cat palm is fine. I put my staghorn ferns on the ground, and only the part that was sticking out from underneath this lady palm kind of shriveled up. Otherwise they would have been hanging in the trees. Button ginger looks a lot better than I thought it would. These are older pygmy dates and they look fine. Small firebush, not doing well. Rubber tree plant is fine. Some of the cranberries are fine and some of them are not so fine, but they always come back. Vitex tree, not happy. This wedelia under the Bismarck isn't as bad as the wedelia out in the open. All of my Brazilian cloaks, not happy. Hopefully they come back. And my big, huge, probably 7-8 foot tall firebush probably needs to get cut back down after the winter. This survived all last winter, so it must have been colder than last winter. And I have 2 bananas that I covered with a garbage can, and they don't look happy either. Yeah, this mulberry bush took a big beating. I'm happy that the I always forget that jacaranda behind it is fine. I'm hoping to see some more purple flowers on it. I think last year was the first year it bloomed because it didn't die back in the winter time. But really that's it. Everything else seemed to be fine. One more. This schefflera didn't do so hot, but it didn't die. And these cranberry hibiscus look a little pathetic, but the crotons look good. And these schefflera look fine underneath the woods, in the woods. And I did water everything very thoroughly, at least 2 days before. I did cover this sanchezia, otherwise I think that would have been bad. And I did bring 3 plants inside my house. One was the bat flower, another was a lemon lime dracaena, another draceana, and my Malaysian orchid.